Morning, James.
Hi there, how you doing?
Yeah, good, good. These are fantastic.
Thanks very much. We're Safari Tents New Zealand. We're the distributors for Yala, who are the largest manufacturers of glamping tents in the world at the moment. And this tent here is our Sunshine 38. We've set this up to suit a family, so we've actually got a capacity for 7 people to stay in here. Sometimes they get set up just for a luxury double bed, and people are using them for high-end glamping destinations, and a lot of other people are using them to build instead of a batch, a cheaper way of getting a holiday home at the beach. So come in and have a look. This tent's got an extended deck which gives you a really large covered outdoor space, 4.5 meters long by 5.5 meters wide. So it gives a really good indoor-outdoor space. And then in here, this tent is 7 meters long by the same width, 5.5. And this is a cabin bed, which is designed for kids, but it's actually got a big enough bed. It's an adult queen double in there. Here we've got a 4-poster queen size double bed. And in the corner, we've got a bunk room. We've set this up as a bunk bed and a single bed, but it could be set up with 2 bunk beds. So this tent is currently set up to accommodate 7 people.
And I notice this one's got a kitchen in it. Do they all have kitchens?
Yes, we can supply as much or as little as the furniture you like. This kitchen is finished with a bar front, and we've got other designs of tent where you can actually have the bar right at the front of the tent, have a great indoor-outdoor split, and it's a great place obviously to chill out at any time of the day, but particularly at the end of the day.
Yeah. And how much are they?
This tent starts from 28,000 plus GST. That is for the tent, the poles, the roof and the connectors. And we can then add to that as you want. If you want to upgrade, have an extended roof, have the larger 100mm diameter poles, or the full interior fit out, that will then take it incrementally higher. This particular tent, as you see it, is in the region of 60,000 plus GST, which excludes the platform.
And what do people normally use them for?
Primarily now, our client base is glamping operators. Originally when we started, we thought it was going to be people building them for holiday homes, but the whole glamping thing has really taken off since COVID, where all of our clients had to shut up for 3 months. They thought they were running businesses that ran till Easter. They reopened in May in 2020 and have been running 12-month operations ever since, and the winter demand for glamping is enormous. It's an incredible return on investment, and it's proven to be, a great add-on business to a lot of farmers and people with a nice lifestyle block.
Yeah, fantastic. And of course, if you want to have the full off-grid lifestyle, you can put one of our grid-free kits on top of it and really be off the grid.